Good morning, everyone. Here is my reflection on what I learned about writing language in the course so far. The first question is, what do I learn and how can I demonstrate what I have learned so far? I have learned that we need to use appropriate language and grammar. Firstly, it is super important that we should be aware of our writing purpose and target audience, so we can decide whether this writing should be in a more formal way or not. Then, we can choose the appropriate vocab to deliver the main message to the audience effectively. Secondly, we need to carry out some research work before we start our paragraph. Therefore, we can have more ideas on the specific topics and the most updated data to maintain the quality of our writing. It is always good that we should avoid using too many technical words or phrases to a specific discipline, unless we have already given out some description to those technical words. Otherwise, we will make our writing vague and confuse our audience. Turns out we may not be able to deliver our key message clearly. Take my personal experience as an example. Last week, I was required to finish an article on sharing some new technology and history of aircraft accident in aerospace in another course. Firstly, I realized that this assignment is about sharing and the target audience is my classmate. So I write the article in a more casual way and give out some rhetorical questions to interact with my audience and let them participating in my sharing. Also, I want to make my article interesting, so I keep the article short and straight to the point. In the assignment, I carry out a lot of research work and integrate the information I get, make sure the data is up to date, and call out where the source is from. And the second question is that what do I gain from the feedback I received? Why it is important? I have gained some feedback from my classmate and TA, said that the sharing can be including more pictures that can make the sharing more attractive. And I think it is a very effective way to raise our audience attention during my sharing, and I think it's a good idea to improve the writing in my futures. And the third question is that how do I intend on develop the area for later assessment on the course? Firstly, I will read a variety of genres to have more insight into how different writers present their idea and the choice of vocab in diverse scenarios. Therefore, I can imitate their writing style and avoid the misapplication of grammar and vocab under different genres in the future writing assessment.